What's important about money to you? What's it cost to feed a village? What's a college education worth? A new iPhone costs about $1,000. What's it cost for a new chicken coop in Mexico? What's family unity worth? An African safari isn't cheap. What's it worth to share a memory with your mom? What's the value of one more family story? A family camping trip, a walk in the woods, a short-term mission trip under the bridge. What's the value of vision? Vision, values, and purpose for generations to come. The power of purpose is to build, not just wealth, but what matters most. What matters most to you? Family Wealth Builder of Houston. Build on purpose.